be showing you guys my trade for today. Today I took a loss. I'm going to show you guys my trade setup and what I saw during the market. So today's FOMC. So I knew that the market was going to be a little bit sloppy, but I still found my setup, so I took the trade. So we start off on the 1 hourly time frame. We mark out any 1 hour highs that are my draws and liquidity that I want to see get swept to see if we can get a reversal. So we mark out this high right here and mark out these highs right here. We mark out this inverse fair value gap as well as this fair value gap to see what price does when it reaches it. We scale down to the 15-minute time frame. As you can see, we have two 15-minute equal highs right here that we got taken out during pre-market, and then we have this 15-minute high taken out during market open. And so we scale down to the 5-minute time frame. As you can see on the 5-minute time frame, we have this inverse fair value gap that we inversed, so I'm using it as sell side. So as you can see, we come up, we touch this hourly inverse fair value gap, and then we run down. We run away from it, and we inverse this fair value gap. So to me, that gives me a lot of confidence that price is likely to reverse. We didn't have an SMT divergence or anything, but to me that was a good sign of price reversing. So we go on to the 2-minute. We have this 5-minute fair value gap from before. We see this candle go up and touch the middle of it and then start going down. I scale to the 1-minute. As you can see on the 1-minute, we touched into this fair value gap and then we started moving down. So I ended up taking the trade right here. I put my stop loss at the bodies of the 2 hourly candle, and my take profit was these equal lows right here. As you can see, for FOMC, this typically does end up happening sometimes that it doesn't go your way. Ended up going up, taking me out, and then running to my direction where I wanted it to go originally. And obviously FOMO set in right around here. I wanted to go back in and everything, but today's FOMC. I don't wanna test my luck too much today. We always have tomorrow or next week, so it's better than taking another loss and triggering me trying to make my money back and all of those other feelings, and then me coming into the market the next week trying to make money and trying to make a win just to feel content with myself. But yeah, so I ended up paper trading this on TradingView. I ended up paper trading this, so just to see, because we did have right here, as you can see. Well, I actually paper traded it on ES. I don't know if I can show you. So I don't know what that is, but yeah, so I ended up seeing, so we got this high get taken out, the original move that I wanted it to be, and then we have equal lows created right here, the high, and then we got fair value gap, we got a break of structure. So all of my confluence are there as well. We run up this 15-minute high, we run down, we got a break of structure, we have a fair value gap, we touched into it. I just entered a paper trade right here. My stops above the candle's wick. I take profit right here. So yeah, and we actually ended up going to my original thought process of it coming down here. But you know, it's already 8 and probably have a big retracement. So yeah. But yeah, this was my trade for today. It was a losing trade. You know, hopefully tomorrow or on Monday I make it back. As bad as it sounds, hopefully I make my money back. But yeah, well, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for the next video.